Hello goddess, and welcome to our TV channel. Today I'm going to show you how to wear a goddess crown. So basically this is the goddess crown. If you want to wear it right, you see this angle of a smile facing you, you know it's in the right way. Which is put it in the back of your head, sit it on the temples so you can barely feel it. It's super lightweighted. You take one piece of the hair, just a small one, you twist it, and then you just flip it around 2 times. And after, you can take the design and just adjust it out. Yes?
Beautiful. So beautiful.
And to feel more a goddess, you do it also on the other side. This is your daily practice of self-love and approval, how to be a goddess. You have to wear a crown. If you don't have one, get one. You're a goddess. Done. And that's it. Now I'm a goddess.
Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. Turn
Da-da-da.
around. I love it.
I love it too. Bye girls. Love you.